Can you imagine a dara with a television? Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah is the first dara to set up a television. Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah was the first Murid movement to have an internet website in 1991 at that moment. Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah was the first Murid or Islamic movement to have a radio in 1995. Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah was the first Islamic movement to have agricultural areas there in the north of Senegal. And this year, if you come here in this place where you are, you will see that it is a very beautiful place. It is a very nice place. And this is because of the innovations and the initiative that Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah have every year to go further, to go forward, to continue and to be better. So there are many. Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah is a movement dedicated to the translation of the writing of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, to write books, to hold conferences, to hold panels, and everything that we can do as form of innovation to show people what was the real message of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. And this year, you can see it behind us. Before, we were using books to sing the poems of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. This year, you can see only machine behind us. Why? Because Sheikh Atu, as I told you, was a man of a great ambition. Before he passed away, this was one of his ambitions. He told us in French that nous devons mettre la technologie au service de la foi. Nous devons mettre la technologie au service de la foi. It is, we should use technology in our expression of our faith. So we are Muslims. Whatever is nice, whatever is very performant, whatever is very good, we need that it is Islam that should have it. We consider this day the Magal of Touba. We want to give it a great consideration. We want to give great consideration to the poems of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. That is why whatever we can do to show people that we give importance to what we are doing, we will do it, and this innovation is one of them.
That's true. So, Mr. Diouf, we are at the end of our emission. What is your last word?
Thanking God to be a Muslim and to be one of the members of Hizb ut-Tarqiyyah and members of the family of Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba.
Thank you so much, Mr. Diouf. We really appreciate, and we are very happy.